many think of Paris or New York when it comes to fashion hubs around the world, but what about Las Vegas?
Yeah, the Magic Fashion Show is back in town, showcasing the latest apparel, shoes, accessories. They're trying to put Las Vegas on the map, and Fox 5's Dylan Kendrick tells us how. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Just walking into Magic. Definitely no shortage of clothes, fashion items, just kind of a great insight on what to expect and what's to come in the future of fashion altogether. Joining me now is Tori. She's with Coalition LA, one of the booths over here at Magic. Tori, what can people expect when they come in here and look at things for the first time?
Well, Coalition LA is a cruelty-free outerwear manufacturer. Our owners have over 20 years of experience manufacturing cruelty-free outerwear, so they can expect vegan fashion. They can expect faux fur. They can expect, we have a new collaboration with PETA, which we're so excited about. We've been PETA approved for over 5 years.
So very environmentally friendly is what you're telling me. Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, it looks like you have a variety of things to choose from over here. Do you want to grab a few items and just show off what it is that you got here?
Sure.
So what is this?
One of our best sellers right here.
Fancy.
It's a faux fur coat. Cruelty-free.
Definitely right now, since it's so cold outside. This is a good
yeah.
find, right?
Yeah, the storms are coming.
Yep. All right, one more. What you got over there? Tons to look at, guys. And the biggest point is just the environmentally friendly aspect of Coalition LA. What is this?
So this is our quilted puffer. It's filled with polyfill. So again, cruelty-free, animal-friendly. All of our faux fur is removable, so you also get the technical aspect of it as well.
Awesome. Well, Tori came ready. She's from LA, so she came ready for the cold, right? PETA's here also. Come on in here. Christina, tell me just a little bit about the PETA Coalition LA partnership.
You know, PETA's been hearing from our 6.5 million members and supporters for so long that they want more ethically made, sustainable, animal-friendly fashion. That's why we were so excited to meet up with Coalition LA, their whole team. They're so great, and they provide cruelty-free outerwear that is durable, sustainable, and animal-friendly.
Show me one of those items right now. We have vegan leather, right?
I know.
How is that even
vegan
possible?
leather. So this is made with a polyurethane, really durable, warm fabric that drapes really nicely. You can pair it with something really nice and feminine at the office. It goes from day to night.
Nice, guys. I'll give you up close
I love that
view.
mustard color.
Really cool stuff, guys. Again, the coolest thing, I guess, at this booth is just how environmentally friendly it is. And who's ever heard of vegan leather, guys?
Wow.
I haven't.
You know, they used to call that pleather, but now it's vegan leather.
Vegan leather.
Yeah, we're past that. We're on to something new, guys.
No, that stuff looks amazing. And I know that Zappos and this pop-up shop Commotion is doing something downtown while Magic is in town. So a lot of fashionistas are here, and they're going to get a lot to for their palettes.
I'm liking the hippie fabulous.
A lot of opportunity to put Vegas on the map.
Yeah, for
just
sure.
in the fashion world altogether.
Dylan, I feel like your guest should start belting out some Partridge Family. This is...
I love her outfit.
Yeah.
She's got style. They're saying you've got some style.
I love that look.
Me too. All right. Thanks, Dylan.
Thanks. By the way, that first jacket actually looked like Dr. Feinberg.
I
It
like
was like a calico jacket.
all of them.
Yeah.